Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. SMCI stock, super microcomputer, Nvidia, and the market as a whole dropped real big on Friday. We got a nice big sell-off here, nice big opportunity to buy the dip. But we have April 2nd on Wednesday. What does that mean? It means Trump is going to open his big mouth. And he's going to be tweeting. He's going to have the Twitter fingers. And we're going to get a reaction from the markets. Are we going to go higher or lower? As far as I'm concerned, I love Trump because he gave me the bear market that I've been asking for. I've been asking for another bear market since 2022. I'm like, come on, give me good companies at cheap prices. I mean, Nvidia right now, like almost $50 off from highs. A bunch of stocks 50 to 80% off. This is when you want to take advantage. But you still have to recognize, like, hey, we might go lower. The market might react. This isn't really even Trump's fault. It's the market reacting to Trump. That's they come in and they go, oh my God, Trump said this, I'm selling off. That's really what it is, the reaction. So I mean, technically, people can react by buying more, but they choose to do the opposite. That's how it is, and we can't really do anything other than react to the reaction. So I'm not really going to be buying much of anything other than maybe SoundHound, nice and cheap. But yeah, we have to wait till Wednesday. We just gotta wait. Gotta wait, guys. This is the waiting game here. Bear markets that are ugly like this, where we just keep dropping, just keep buying nice and cheap. The next level for this is $30. That's the next level for SMCI. Oops. $30 and then 26, and then if we drop from there, we're going to like $20. So those are your levels there. Nvidia, if you see Nvidia drop, because this one looks like it's getting ready to drop back down to and retest 106. If that happens, I mean, we're going to see SMCI probably come down to 30. And if this breaks below 100, that's going to be ugly for the rest of the market. Like, the rest of the market is just going to tank. And that would mean that SMCI as well would tank. It would just start coming down. You would probably see that one at 25 and under at that point. So you just got to recognize, like, hey, market's coming down again in preparation for April tariffs or whatever he's going to do. You know, he goes back and forth. So it's kind of hard to know. Like, that uncertainty, that lack of predictability it spooks markets and causes a sell-off. Which, again, nothing more than opportunity. He's giving us the opportunity of a lifetime here. How many of you bought? I hope not. I hope a lot of you did not buy stocks when it was expensive, towards the end of the bull run. This is when you want to buy it, when it's like 50% off. It literally is almost 50% off from highs. What did this hit? $66. So another $1.26 drop, and boom, you're buying it at 50% discount. That's better than being the sucker that's holding a bag up there. I'll say that much. You never want to be the one holding the bag up there. Anyways, that's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. I'd wait for us to drop to 30 and 25 and under at that point. Like, I mean, you can't do much of anything other than accumulate. You kind of have no choice. It's not like you're not going to time the bottom, guys. In a bear market, what do? We just keep dropping lower. So you buy and it just drops lower anyways. Like, everyone should be in the red unless you bought before everything popped. Like, unless you bought like real cheap and somehow you're just holding it back down to your average, I guess. Which the only people who should be doing that would be the investors who are holding for years and not just looking for 30 to 100% flips on a swing trade. But yeah, that's if you're red, that's normal. Like, it's a bear market, things just keep going down. If you're holding red in a bull market, then you got problems. Like, it's a bull market, sir. Things keep going up. How are you losing money? How are you in the red? That doesn't make sense. The only way that would happen is if you're just buying something that's absolute trash. But you're seeing the cycles right now play out, right? We pump, we dump, we pump, we dump. That's just how it is. Take advantage of when it dumps, when everyone else is scared. SMCI, same price target as last time. I'm shooting for 100, but $66. And you buy at 34 or 30, not 34, at 33. Aim for 66. That's a nice 100%er. It can do it. It's going to take time. I mean, but if you're patient, it pays off, because the people in my Discord who have 6 figures plus to trade with, they are people who made a lot of money holding for the 10x and not being greedy and taking the profits. So that's just how you make the big bucks. Don't sell too soon, guys.